Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the NETGEAR Nighthawk DOCSIS 3.1 mid-high split cable modem, CM3000-1AZNAS. I've looked through the internet, checked specs, compared user impressions, and today I'm giving you my honest take on whether this modem is worth buying or just another piece of gear to scroll past. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the gate, what makes the NETGEAR Nighthawk CM3000-1AZNAS stand out is that it supports DOCSIS 3.1, the current standard for cable internet that unlocks faster speeds, better network efficiency, and improved performance over DOCSIS 3.0. If your internet plan promises fast download and upload speeds, especially up to 2.5 gigabits per second, this modem is built to handle it without bottlenecking your connection. That's something a lot of older or lower-end modems simply can't deliver. Another big advantage here is the mid-high split architecture. Without getting too into the weeds, what that means in practical terms is the modem's signal pathway is optimized for higher data throughput, better stability, and improved performance on high-speed plans. Exactly what you want if you're gaming, streaming 4K, 8K video, or supporting multiple devices in a busy household. Compared with budget cable modems designed only for basic speeds, this one is future-ready for heavier internet demands. Compatibility matters a lot with modems, and the good news here is that this Nighthawk model is approved for use with all major cable providers, including Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox, meaning you can swap it in without paying monthly modem rental fees. That alone can save you money over time, and you won't have to worry about surprise compatibility issues with your ISP's network down the road. Performance highlights are where this modem really earns its name. With DOCSIS 3.1 support and the ability to handle up to 2.5 gigabits per second plans, you're not just buying hardware, you're buying a way to unlock your full internet speed. If you're paying for a gigabit or multi-gig plan and trying to use a legacy modem, you're almost certainly not getting what you're actually paying for. With this unit, speeds are smoother, latency is lower, and the experience feels noticeably more responsive whether you're gaming online, streaming Ultra HD content, or working from home with cloud applications. Another perk is that the CM3000-1AZNAS doesn't rely on a separate Wi-Fi router. It's just a modem, which many advanced users actually prefer. Using your own high-performance router, like a Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 model, behind this modem gives you more control over your home network, better coverage, and often better security and feature sets than the all-in-one devices ISPs sometimes provide. Installation is straightforward. You connect it to your cable line, activate it with your ISP either online or by calling, and once approved it syncs quickly to your service. No frequent drops, confusing setup menus, or need for complicated resets. Just dependable connectivity that stays up when you need it most. Of course, no device is perfect for every situation. If you're on a lower speed cable plan, like under 300 megabits per second, this modem's capabilities might feel like overkill. But even then, having that extra headroom means your next plan upgrade won't require new hardware. After comparing it with other cable modems in its class and reading what users are saying online, here's my honest verdict. The NETGEAR Nighthawk DOCSIS 3.1 CM3000-1AZNAS is a smart buy if you want reliable, high-speed cable internet without dealing with ISP rentals or unnecessary hardware limitations. It delivers future-proof performance, broad provider compatibility, and the real ability to unlock multi-gig internet plans at home. So should you buy it? If you're on a fast cable plan, want to avoid rental fees, or plan to use your own Wi-Fi router for better home coverage and performance, then yes, this modem is absolutely worth considering. It's a powerful foundation for today's demanding internet needs and long-term connectivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.